This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Divi theme in WordPress. First, you will need to install Divi. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New. Upload the Divi theme file you downloaded from Elegant Themes. Once uploaded, activate the theme. This initial step is crucial for unlocking Divi's powerful visual builder and extensive design options, allowing you to start creating your website immediately with ease and flexibility. The core of Divi is its visual builder, which structures your pages using three main elements: sections, rows, and modules. Sections are the largest containers, acting as the foundational blocks for your page layout. Within sections, you add rows, which can be divided into up to 12 columns. Finally, modules are placed inside these columns, holding your actual content like text, images, or contact forms. Understanding this hierarchy is key to building any page effectively. Divi provides over 40 distinct content modules, each designed for specific purposes, from simple text blocks to complex galleries. When you add a module, you gain access to three main settings tabs: Content, Design, and Advanced. The Content tab manages the actual information, while the Design tab allows extensive customization of colors, fonts, and spacing. The Advanced tab offers more technical controls. This flexibility empowers you to tailor every element precisely to your vision. Beyond basic page building, Divi offers powerful advanced features. You can create global elements, ensuring consistent design across multiple pages by updating them once. Save your custom layouts and sections to the Divi library for quick reuse on future projects. The comprehensive theme options panel allows you to manage site-wide settings, including integrations and performance. Furthermore, Divi includes built-in /B testing, helping you optimize your page designs for better user engagement and conversion rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.